question I hear from clients sometimes, because making videos and doing video marketing can feel a little stressful. So what I get from coaching clients often is, how do I make this fun? The answer is by relaxing, right? By working with somebody that you like, that you get along with, that you have fun with, business partner, spouse, kid, right? If you have a teenage kid with a video camera, that could be excellent or tough to have that person as your camera person and editor. But have some fun with it and start from a position of power and strength and caring. I hesitate to say start from a position of love, but if you love what you do, start there, because that'll kind of set you into the mode of fun. And if giving some sort of marketing brief or some sort of advertising talk or some sort of formal thing doesn't feel like fun, because maybe it's not very fun, then a fun thing to do in a video is just tell me a story about a happy customer. Tell me a story about a happy customer. Man, we met this person, they had this problem, and then we did these things, and they did other things, and everything came together, and boom, this is what their life is now. It's really cool. First of all, you've done good work. That feels good. They had good results. That feels good. The whole thing then becomes fun. And telling that story, you naturally fall into it, right? Well, we took her and she was feeling miserable, and then she was feeling great, and boy, I'll tell you what, I really feel good about the way she feels. We all sense, the viewers, we all sense how that is a real story, and what you don't really notice when you're recording it is that you're just telling a story that's kind of fun, and that comes across. How to have fun on video when you're making videos for a video presence for your business is to just relax, tell a story, and have a little fun. Enjoy yourself.